Viewers, today I want to deal with the problem of India's relation with the European countries, East European countries. We have studied Cold War, we have studied Gorbachev reforms, we have studied India's relations with Soviet Union, and now today study that what was the policy of India towards the Eastern European nations. The policy of India was based on the multipolar system instead of bipolar system. India believed that there should be freedom for each country and the problem of international terrorism or any other problem should be jointly solved. The attack on one country should be considered as an attack on all the nations. India and Russia had close relationship because Russia supplied the armaments and oil and other atomic power. So our relations with Russia are specially improved. Russia has given us armaments and solved the problem of Kashmir and international terrorism. India became a very strong country because of relationship with the European countries, particularly the Eastern European countries, including Russia. Whenever we felt the need of oil or the armaments, we imported from Russia, and the Kashmir problem was also solved by Russia because when the Kashmir issue came in the United Nations Security Council, it was Soviet Union or the Russia which came to the assistance of India. Now Tajikistan and Turkmenistan, they also were helpful, and the Western Asian countries were helpful, and we have good relationship with them because of oil. Now in the outer space, Russia has helped India to a great extent by supplying the cryogenic engines, which is very useful for the development of exploring the possibilities of the outer space. India and Russia have good relationship, and our policy is based on regionalism and freedom of the nation, and the problem should be solved just like the international association solves the problem. So India was of the view that these problems should be solved like the international association, and that's why India and Russia had strengthened its relationship. Students, particularly of 12th class, your board exam, you have to prepare that how and why you have to question yourself. For example, in the last lesson, I asked you what is Garage sale, what were the views of Gorbachev, how communist Russia changed its policies, what were Gorbachev reforms, what was the impact of the Gorbachev reforms on the economy, on the foreign relations. So these are the questions, and today, as I told you, you can ask what was the special relationship between India and Russia? Why Russia was helpful? In what way Russia was helpful to India? like that. Thank you.